In this video, I'll show you how to create a Solana wallet. Start by choosing a Solana wallet, such as Phantom, and install the wallet app or browser extension from its official website or app store. Next, open the wallet and click Create New Wallet. After that, create a strong password for your wallet if prompted. Now your wallet will display a secret recovery phrase. Carefully write down the recovery phrase exactly as shown and store it in a safe offline location. Never share it with anyone, as it gives full access to your wallet. Next, tap Continue and complete the recovery phrase verification by selecting the words in the correct order. After that, finish the setup process until you reach the wallet dashboard. Now your Solana wallet is ready to use. Tap Receive to view your Solana wallet address whenever you want to receive SOL or other supported tokens. Finally, keep your recovery phrase secure and use it only if you ever need to restore your wallet on another device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Solana wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.